Good morning to all. Let us revise the chapter Rational Exponents and Radicals. The name of the chapter is Exponents and Radicals. Okay. So, see the Exponents and Radicals chapter. Exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. See the question what they are asking. Question number 1. Write the base and exponent. Write the base and exponent in each of the following. 3 to the power 6 minus 5 whole to the power 3, 1 by 3 whole to the power 4, minus 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 4. That means in this case base is 3 and 6 is the exponent. Second case base is minus 5, exponent 3. The third case base is 1 by 3, exponent is 4. And fourth case base is minus 1 by 3, exponent is minus 4. Okay. Question number 2. Write the following in the exponential form. You have to write in exponential form. You have to see how many times 4 is multiplied. Okay, 4 times. Means 4 to the power 4. And here minus 3 multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means minus 3 whole to the power 6. The third part 1 by 7 is multiplied 5 times. That means 1 by 7 whole to the power 5. And you have to write in exponent form after factorization. Okay, middle term after factorizing both parts. Just see one by one. I am doing from the beginning, from the 1. From the 1, they are asking to write the base and the exponent in the following. First part given 3 to the power 6. In this case, base is 3, base equal to 3, and exponent is equal to 6. This is base, this is exponent. Second part, minus 5 whole to the power 3. Here base equal to how much? Minus 5, and exponent is equal to 3. Third part. See the third part. Third part given 1 by 3 whole to the power 4. That means here base is equal to 1 by 3 and exponent is equal to 4. Exponent is equal to 4. The fourth part question given minus 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 4. The base is equal to minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, and exponent is equal to minus 4. This is a basic concept. Just for final revision, I am doing one by one. One from one book, another new book. Question number 2. Write the following in the exponential form. You have to write in exponential form. The first part given 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. How many times 4 is multiplied? 4 is multiplied here 4 times. That means 4 to the power 4. This one is exponent form. Okay. The second part, it is given minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Just to see how many times minus 3 is multiplied. 6 times. Into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. That means this is minus 3 whole to the power 6. This one is exponent form. Number 3, 1 by 7 into 1 by 7 into 1 by 7 into 1 by 7 into 1 by 7. That means 1 by 7 is multiplied 5 times. 1 by 7 whole to the power 5. This also exponent form. Okay. That means 1 by 7 is the base, 5 is the exponent. Now, fourth part question given 243 by 3125. 3125. You have to write an exponent. Before going to exponent form, you have to see 243. Just you have to factorize. 243 will go by 3. 3 8 is 81. Again 3, 27. Here 3, 3 9. Again 3 3. So how many 3 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 3 to the power 5 is 243. Again 3125. Same process you have to break. 3125. 3125 will go by 5, no doubt. 5, 5 6 is 30, 5 2 is 10, 5 5 25. Again it will go by 5, 125. Again it will go by 5, 25. Again 5 5 is 25. How many 5 are there? 5 to the power 5. 5 to the 5 is 3125. 3 to the power 5. Therefore, 3 by 5 whole to the power 5. This is the rough one. In the rough, you have to show 243 is going by 3. How many times? 5 times. Therefore, 3 to the power 5. 3125. It is going 5. How many times? 5 times. Therefore, 5 to the power 5 and 3 to the 5. You have to write overall 3 by 5 whole to the power 5. That means here base is 3 by 5. Exponent is 5. This is an exponent form. In this one, number 2 also completed. Okay, I hope you are able to understand number 2. Let us go number 3. See the question number 3. You have to simplify and you have to write the answer in the exponential form. Minus 3 whole cube, minus 3 whole to the 4, minus 3 whole to the 5. That means in this case all the base same, that is power you have to add. In case of multiplication in base same, power is added. Minus 3 whole to the power 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, just see how to solve. There are 3 parts are there. Here also third part is minus 5 root 5 whole to the power 3, root 5 whole to the power minus 2, root 5 whole to the 3. Everywhere base is same, power you have to add. And here 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 2, again whole to the power minus 3. Power is multiplied. Just see one by one. Question number 3, first part. Minus 3 whole to the power 3 into minus 3 whole to the power 4 into minus 3 whole to the power 5. Here base same, that is minus 3 whole to the power 3 plus 4 plus 5. It is coming minus 3 whole to the power 7 plus 5, 12. This is an exponent form, means power form. Here base is minus 3 and power is exponent is 12. The second part question. The second part question given 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 2. Again whole to the power it is given like this, minus 3. That means 2 by 3 is the base, power is multiplied, minus 2 into minus it will be plus 6 whole to the 6. This one is exponent form. Exponent form. Here base is 2 by 3 and exponent is 6. Second part complete. Now come to third part, the last part of number 3. Third part given root 5 whole to the power 3 into root 5 whole to the power minus 2, again root 5 whole to the power 3. Therefore, here base is root 5 whole to the power 3 plus 3, 6, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, that is 4. Again root 5 means what? 5 to the power 1 by 2, 5 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power 4. That means this should be 5 square. 5 square is the exponent form. Root over means power is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole to the power 4 means 2 to the 4, 5 square. 5 is the base, 2 is the exponent or power. In this one, number 3 completed. Let us go to question number 4. See question of what is given here. Using laws of exponent, solve the following. Just you see 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 3, 1 by 2 whole to the power 4, 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 1. Here base is same, power you have to add. Okay, there are 4 parts are there. Other parts are there also. Let me solve one by one. See the fourth part, number 4, first part is given 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 3 into 1 by 2 whole to the power 4 into 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 1. In each case, base same 1 by 2. In case of multiplication, power is added, that is minus 3, here minus 1, that is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. How much you are getting? 1 by 2 whole to the 0. Okay, that means base is here 1 by 2 and this one is exponent form, power is 0. Anything power 0, anything power 0 means answer is 1 actually. You have to write 1. The final answer is 1. Okay. Anything power 0 means the answer is 1. Let us go to number 4, second part. The second part question given 5 to the power minus 3 divided by 5 to the power minus 4. In case of division, we base is same, power you have to subtract. 5 to the power minus 3 minus of minus 4. In case of division, power is subtracted. That means this will be 5 to the power minus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 5 to the power 1, means equal to 5. And this is the answer. I am writing the formula here. Since x to the power m minus divided by x to the power n, the formula is x to the power m minus n. And x to the power m into x to the power n, the formula is x to the power m plus n. In case of division, if base is same, power is you have to subtract. In case of multiplication, power is added, if base is same. Let us go third part. The third part question given 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 3 and whole to the power minus 2. That means 1 by 3 whole to the power is multiplied, minus 3 into minus 2, this will be 6. And this one is exponent form. Next, fourth part. The fourth part question given 1 by 8 whole to the power minus 3. Here negative power given. If you reciprocal the fraction, it will be positive power. That means 8 by 1 means 8 cube. 8 cube is the exponential form. Okay. And 8 cube you have to multiply 8 into 8 into 8 3 times. The result you have to write, that is the answer. Okay. Next, fifth part. Fifth part question given a to the power minus 3, b to the power minus 5 divided by a to the power minus 2 into b to the power minus 6. Do one thing here. Here a to the power minus 3 and you can divide, power is subtracted, minus of minus 2. In case of b, this will be b to the power minus 5 minus of minus 6. Finally getting how much? A to the power minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 means minus 1. And b to the power minus 5 plus 6 means 1. That means b by a is the answer. B by a is the answer. The sixth part, last part of the number 4. Root 3 whole to the power 12 divided by root 3 whole to the power minus 2. In case of division, power is subtracted, base is same. That is root 3 to the power 12 minus 2, 12 minus of minus 2. Then this will be root 3 to the power 12 plus 2, 12 plus 2 is 14. And root 3 means 3 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power 14, that means 3 to the power 7. 3 to the 7, you have to multiply 3 7 times, you will get the result. In this way, question number 4 also completed. Try to practice these are sums. Thank you for today's class. Next day, I will do remaining part of the exercise. Thank you.